Namaste to all the followers of Atmavalakana YouTube channel. Today we are going to learn 9 habits to manifest your dreams using the law of attraction. Number 1. Note what you focus on. Start by noting what you instinctively focus on. Do you usually pay attention to what's going right in your life or what's going wrong? When you are working on manifesting your dreams, obstacles and challenges will inevitably rise. But when you focus on what's right, you become more of a problem solver and can move through these obstacles with more ease. Number 2. Keep a worry list. Since the brain has a negativity bias, it's no surprise that people are inclined to worry all the time. In order to kick the habit, try keeping a worry list for 2 weeks where you write down worries the second they come to you. Are you listening? Whenever a worry happens to you, or if you worry about something, you just need to write it down. That's the second list. This practice will not only help release the heavy energy that often keeps us stuck, but it will also help you review your worries after the fact to see if any of them were actually warranted or not. Your brain will then have proof that worrying is often a waste of energy. Okay. Number 3. Practice diaphragmatic breathing. Breathing from your belly, not from chest. Spend a few minutes making your exhales longer than your inhales. If your inhale is 6 counts, make your exhale 8 counts. For example, this type of breathing activates the parasympathetic nervous system, which is responsible for our rest and digest response. It will help produce a sense of relaxation and contentment and allow you to approach life with clearer head. Number 4. Quiet the monkey mind with meditation. Meditation quiets the monkey mind, which is naturally biased toward negativity. Remember, meditating will not stop your thoughts, but it will show you how fleeting they are. Therefore, it can help you withdraw attention from stressful, negative patterns that your mind has created over time. 5. Move your body in whatever way feels good for you. Negative emotions get stored in your bodies on a cellular level. Moving is one way to release the stress and negative energy. It doesn't have to be intense. You can dance, practice yoga, or go for a walk. Number 6. Keeping a gratitude journal. Gratitude is one of the simplest ways to raise your positive vibration. When we recognize our great fortune and appreciate all our blessings, it automatically puts us into a feel-good, energetic vibration. Number 7. Write down your goals and connect to your why. Writing down a list of your goals will help you get clear and take more inspired action. Be sure that when you do, you connect to your why. Because when you know why are you doing something, you will approach with a clearer mind. The feeling that you hope will come when you achieve this goal. Number 8. Visualize what it will look like when you achieve your dreams. Once you have written down your goals and connected with your why, read from the list first thing in the morning and right before bed every day. Take a few minutes to visualize and connect with the feeling of achieving your dreams. Number 9. Feel like you already have what you want. Feeling is believing. Let this visualization transport you to a world in which everything has gone your way. Pay attention to the details. What this world looks like, feel like, and sound like. Doing this so will help generate more excitement and positivity and encourage you to continue taking inspired action towards your dream.